Hello, another day of renovation journey. So let's see the progress. Carpentry for our shoebox are done. Okay, yeah. This is not the final color, of course. They're probably gonna do some touch up on that. And the TV console box. Right. It's also done. Okay. So you see the latch here in the door. We probably shift it toward to the middle so that the TV console box can open properly. So now it's kind of stuck here. So for your renovation, please do check with your contractor to ensure that this is not stuck. Okay. Yep. As mentioned, we hacked this part, additional hacking, so that this bomb shelter door can be open. It's unfortunate, right? So you can see there's two zones right now. This is not what we expected. You see the smoothing capping between the vinyl flooring to the living room and this side to the floor foyer and the kitchen area, right? But this is a last minute design. And let's see a bit more of carpentry. Okay, this is the common bathroom basin. Okay, the quartz tops has to be installed soon, and just see that all this in the wooden mantle. Yeah, so all looks good. It's kind of smelly here, so let's move. Yeah. Oh yeah, the floor has also been laid with vinyl. Okay, basically it's from the living room and all to all the bedrooms. Okay, and this is our wardrobe. Right, it's a big size wardrobe. And looks okay. There's no defect right now that we see. So it's a sliding door. Okay. So it's a good size. You can put a lot of things, I guess. Yep. And next week we will probably do more of the electrics and data point. To be installed next week. And just to wrap it up, this is my living room. This is a mini TV console for us to put our PlayStation 5 and our TV. And lastly, this is the study corner of my girlfriend, and she will be chilling here. She has her own space, data point, power cables. Yep. And look at the door. Okay, she can put all her stationery here. So let's see how it works out next week. Thank you.